Hello, everyone. My name's Jeff. I don't like that this story is being published, but oh well. It's not like any of you could catch a demon of my caliber. The detective is now dead. The journal is over, and it's quite hilarious because in viewing this video, I logged every single one of your IP addresses and know exactly where you are. For example, one of you works at a cousin's on Draxton Boulevard. One of you lives in Burbank. One of you lives on East Avenue. And one of you is going to university and has a roommate named Becky. One of you is going to Iowa. One of you is quite the whiz at the piano. The list goes on and on. I know where you work. I know your friends, your family, your loved ones. I know everything. Soon, all of that will be taken from you. Upon listening to this from me, you should start hearing odd noises. Feel a sense of fear and dysphoria wash over you. You'll become anxious and frantic for no logical reason. The banging isn't the building you reside in. It's something else, something quite sinister, something that wants your blood. If I don't get you, I'll get those you love and care about. You, the one shivering in your chair, and has a girlfriend named Jessica. She's mine. You aren't safe. I think it's time for you to go to sleep. I'll be there shortly. Sincerely, Jeffrey the Killer. P.S. You there. You're cute. I'll take my time with you.